Thank you for placing your order. I'm really excited to hear the results that you get from this liquid magnesium. A couple things I want to go through in this video just to make sure you know how to handle this and mix it correctly. This is a liquid concentrate, so you're not going to be dosing right from this bottle. What you're going to do is, first of all, when you get it, put it in the refrigerator. You want to get it cold before you open it. So that's really important just for the stability of the concentrate. So just get it cold, leave it in the fridge for, at least half a day or a day, and get a gallon of distilled water. And what you do is just remove at least 4 or 5 ounces of the distilled water from the gallon, and then replace it with 4 ounces of the concentrate. And then shake it up real good and put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Once you do that, the distilled water mineral formula that you just made doesn't need to be refrigerated after that. And you can transfer it to a glass bottle or whatever you want. But then what you'll want to do is you'll want to take 8 ounces at a time on an empty stomach. That's the dose that you want to shoot for, is 8 ounces up to 4 times a day. But you want to take it on an empty stomach. So as many doses as you can get in on an empty stomach, just do that. And if you have to do more than 8 ounces when you take it because you don't have an empty stomach 4 times a day, just spread it out through the day. Don't try to take it all at once. Spread it out through the day. That's really all you need to know about it. Just keep the concentrate in the fridge. So concentrate needs to be refrigerated. Once you mix it and leave it in the fridge for 4 hours, distilled water that you mix does not need to be refrigerated. That's pretty much it. And you'll see on the bottle, it talks about mixing a lower dose amount. It says 2 tablespoons into a gallon of water. I don't recommend that. I personally recommend mixing the 4 ounces into a gallon of distilled water. That means you'll get 8 gallons per bottle, regardless of how much you take. Personally, that's how I've done it. I took 8 ounces at a time, up to 4 times a day when I started for the first 2 months, or 3 months actually. That was when I was trying to replete my depleted levels of magnesium. Once I got to that 3-month point, even after a few weeks, it felt great. My muscles were relaxing like I hadn't experienced in years. So then I just kind of went on a maintenance dose. But instead of lowering how much concentrate I put in the distilled water, I just don't drink quite as much. I still drink a full 8 ounces before I go to bed because magnesium is really good while sleeping. But I don't drink as much in the morning and in the midday. So that's why 1 bottle lasts me like 2 or 3 months now. But I recommend starting with a bottle a month. Try, see how much you can drink. Once you mix into the distilled water, you can drink it like as your only water, but you don't need to. I would drink more water than a gallon a day. Personally, I do. I drink more than that. I drink like ozonated water and other kinds of things like that. So I don't ozonate this, but that's just what I wanted to cover in this video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I look forward to hearing your results. So thanks again for watching this video.